Hi friends, so we have been talking a lot about liquids, solids, and gases. We've been learning about the properties of those parts of matter. We've been learning about matter in general. And in the last class you had, we talked a little bit about water. So your assignment was to put some water in a cup and put that cup in the freezer and then see what happened. You were making predictions about what would happen to the water, and then you were making predictions about what would happen to the water if you put it back outside in the heat. So what we're going to do today is we're going to build on that a little bit. So you understand what happens to water when it's exposed to heat, it melts. When it's exposed to enough heat, even more heat, it turns into a gas, it turns into water vapor, and it goes up into the sky as a cloud, which is also a gas. Then when that cloud gets really heavy, the water comes down as rain. That's called a water cycle, and what we're going to be doing is you guys are going to be studying the water cycle a little bit to help you understand the way that water kind of flows in this cycle of turning into going from a solid to a liquid to a gas, or from a liquid to a gas to a liquid again, and then to a solid. So you're going to be studying the water cycle today. I have posted a video that you can go ahead and copy and paste the URL and watch it on YouTube, and it should explain the water cycle to you. And then you're going to do an activity, and I'll go ahead and write some instructions for the activity as well. But basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating your own example of the water cycle, and you're going to be labeling which parts of the water cycle is the water a gas, which part is it a liquid, and which part is it a solid. Alright, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great science lesson, and good luck!